Hello mga kalogi! Welcome to our channel po. Today we're gonna open this mini GT that I have gift from my classmate. Say LVWK Nissan Skyline Super Silhouette, and this made by TC model and Nissan license. Ito naman po ay 750S mini GT. This is Sans Gray. So gift by my classmate too. So comfortable 700 pesos naman po. Good for beginners. I recommend this mini GT. Also this 750S on the most greatest McLaren of all time. So yeah. So let's get this unboxing. Yes. Okay, as what we have here, the two cars that we're gonna unbox. So let's begin unboxing this Liberty Walk. Very nice box. Let's take her out the box. Oh my god! Okay, this is pretty good. Pero bago ko muna start this video, tinanggal ko muna yung plastic niya. Oh my god, look at the details of the car. Saloon tire. So this is also T5X. And there's a lot of advertisements. I love the color, I love the paint, I love the headlights paint, and then the rims. Pretty cool. Alloy body, and this is very good. And pretty much metal, but great designs. Yeah, I also like the roller kid. So let's unbox the 750S. Alright, let me just get it. Now we have the 750S. Wow, this is very good for beginners. Like 700 plus 500. Maybe either of them. So let's take it out of the box. And wow, I love those Saros Gray. Yes, the right color. Look at the details. Look at the headlight. Look at the side mirrors. The rims. Same as the LBWK. All pieces are alloy and whoa, this plate number two at the back. As you can see that. Pretty good. Nice rims and yeah, windows are pretty much realistic too. You can see the McLaren logo on the hood and pretty much best beginner or if you want a cheap mini. Yun lang mga kaibigan, paalam na. So, see you in our next video. Bye-bye!